What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the Rolling Bag 61 V2 and the Rolling Bag 61 V2 Slim. The only difference between the two is that one of them is wider for bigger keyboards, while the other one is slimmer for slimmer keyboards. First, we'll be going over how to set up the regular Rolling Bag 61 V2, and then we're going to check out the slimmer one. So as you can see, we have a few different pockets available to use with the bag. So we've got this smaller one here that can hold smaller items like microphones, mic cables, clips, etc. And then we have the bigger pocket here that we can use for bigger items like music stands, sheet music, sustain pedals, and much more. You'll notice that this pocket here has a bunch of smaller pockets inside so we can store these items better. Now when we open up the main pocket, you'll notice that it's nice and padded to keep your keyboard safe through travel. And you'll also notice these additional pads here, which are Velcro, so we can take them off from the side of the case and place them back either onto the side, on the bottom of the case, or on the top, or for whatever fits your needs. Also inside, we have these straps here that's going to keep our keyboard from moving around when we're bringing it from gig to gig. So whenever we're ready to pack up our keyboard, we're just going to undo these straps here. Then once we have our keyboard inside, we can place the straps back over the keyboard. Then we can close the case and use the zippers to keep the case closed. You'll also notice that these zippers have holes on them so we can run a padlock through for extra security. Then from there, we can use either the handle on the top of the case or the handle on the back of the case to roll it around. If you needed the case to stand up on its own, you can use these feet here right next to the wheels, or the rubber spikes here on the side of the case. Or if you wanted to carry the case around by hand, you can combine these two straps together because of the Velcro, and then from here you'll have a more secure grip when you're carrying the case around. And just like that, we're ready to head out to our gig with our keyboard. So now let's talk about using the Rolling Bag 61 V2 Slim. Now, like I said, the only difference here is that the bag is a bit slimmer, so if you had smaller keyboards like this one here, this is the one we recommend you use. Aside from that, the setup is the exact same. It even comes with the padding here like the last one did to keep your keyboard protected inside. So once we're all set and ready to go, we can strap the keyboard back in, close up the main pocket here. Then once we're all set and ready to go, we can use the handles to pick it up by hand or use the wheels to roll the case around to our gig. And just like the last bag, we also have these two pockets here to carry our small or bigger items along with our case. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up the Rolling Bag 61 V2 and the Rolling Bag 61 V2 Slim. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.